Let me show you how easy it is to make money online if you don't have any money to get started.
If you think it's not possible to make money without any money to start with, then stop watching this video right now. Let me show you how easy it is to make money with $0, pounds or euros to start with. Now you can pause this video at any time and click the link below to get started for free. That will take you over to a page just like this where you're going to get the ultimate guide to financial freedom. All you need to do is to click on this big blue button that says show me. That will give you a pop-up like this. You're going to need to put your name, your email address and pop a phone number and then click submit, so I can contact you with all the details of how to get started. But if you want to watch this video to the end, that's okay, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money working online without a single penny to start with. Once you've created a free account, you're going to enter into the members area. Now this member is giving me access to their account so that I can show you that they're a free member, because you can see there it says subscription level free. So let's see as a free member if they've made any money. So I'm going to come up to these two lines and I'm going to go down to my wallet. As you can see there that this member's got $68 sitting inside their wallet. And if I come to this section here where it says affiliate commissions, you can see that they've made $60 from affiliate commissions. What I'm going to ask you to do right now is to pause this video, click on the link below the video, go over and create yourself a free account. Get to this page, click on that blue button to get started for free. Are you going to be part of the 99% of the people that fail, or are you going to be part of the 1% that succeed financial freedom? Click the link below and get started by creating your free account. Take action today and let me help you achieve that financial freedom that your future self deserves. You have a fantastic day. Click the link below and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.